This video shows real police activity and may be difficult for some viewers to watch.
That's because it looks like you have a gun inside your pocket.
A patrol stop in South Los Angeles leads to an intense foot pursuit that takes a sudden turn when a 26-year-old suspect pulls a handgun and opens fire. Southwest Area Gang Enforcement Detail officers were patrolling along the Western Avenue corridor near Martin Luther King Jr. Park when they saw a man riding a bicycle nearby, committing a traffic violation. The officers initiated a pedestrian stop on the bicyclist along Southwestern Avenue.
Step off the bike? Can I help you? I'm on my way to work right here at the recycling center. Can I help you?
That's because it looks like you have a gun inside your pocket.
Oh, no.
You need a bike cover. You need brakes on the bike also.
Serio?
Yeah, just hop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here.
But, bro, I've been riding like this shit all night.
You need brakes, bro. Just
All
hop out really
night.
quick. We'll get you out of here.
Look, I'm going right there. You guys can come with me?
Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
And then face away. Put
Yes,
your hands
sir.
on your back. We'll talk to you.
Shit! He's shooting at us. Shots fired, officer needs help.
As he ran off, he pulled a handgun and opened fire, striking one officer in the legs. Here's another look at the initial encounter as it unfolded.
So we just saw one. 39th place in Western.
Hey,
You need a bike cover. You need brakes on the bike also.
Serio?
Yeah, just hop off really quick, man. We'll get you out of here.
But, bro, I've been riding like this shit all night.
You need brakes, bro. Just
All
hop out really
night.
quick. We'll get you out of here.
Look, I'm going right there. You
Step
guys
off
can
the
come
bike,
with me?
please. Step off the bike, please.
Yes, sir.
And then face away. Put your
Yes,
hands
sir.
on your back. We're gonna talk to you, okay? I got it. George.
Oh, shit! Shots fired, officer needs help! Shots fired, officer needs help! Suspect's running southbound, he's shooting at us!
This angle gives a clearer view of what officers were facing. The suspect was not struck and, while running away, fired one more shot at the officers. As backup units arrived, he attempted to shoot again, but his weapon malfunctioned, and he threw it aside while continuing into the park.
Officer Newtown 39 place and Western, shots fired in here. Unit coming on Southwest Regan.
Officers pursued him on foot and ultimately used physical force to take him into custody. Here's another look at the encounter as it unfolded.
I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you, dude! Male Hispanic running southbound. Hey, right here. I'm gonna shoot you, dude!
Paramedics transported the injured officer to the hospital to be treated for gunshot wounds and expected to make a full recovery. The suspect was also treated for abrasions sustained during his arrest. A loaded ghost gun and spent cartridge cases were later recovered at the scene. The district attorney later filed 2 counts of attempted murder on a peace officer and 1 count of unlawful firearm possession. The incident remains under review as part of the department's standard use of force investigation. Across the country, officers continue to face unpredictable encounters like this, moments that can escalate in seconds as they work to protect the neighborhoods they serve. If you found this incident breakdown informative, subscribe to Active Safety Response and see what officers face every day in the line of duty.